Moving towards a century of glorious performance in the edible oil industry, the RG Group based in Kozhikode has emerged as the undisputed leader in this field. Founded by the visionary entrepreneur Sri Muduvel Gopalan in 1940, the company today stands tall as a symbol of golden heritage. It's a continuing saga of purity and trust, poised to fly higher on the strength of its quality and commitment. RG Sesame Oil, the flagship product of the company, has been at the forefront from the very beginning, serving three vital sectors: food, medicine, and culture. It's an inevitable part of the culinary traditions of various regions of the world with its proven health benefits and preservation quality. Ayurveda is incomplete without sesame oil in its medicines, health tonics, and massage oils. The countless temples and other places of worship in the whole of South India are lit up with the radiant lamps lit with sesame oil. With total customer satisfaction as its priority, RG Group has become one of the biggest players in terms of productivity in all of South India, with the company owning 3 production units in Calicut, Mahi and Malappuram. Following in the footsteps of his father, Mr. M. Ramesh, chairman of RG Group, has successfully merged the values of tradition that the company stands for with the pulse of the changing market and times, propelling the sesame oil business of RG Group to new levels. Ambika Ramesh, the managing director of RG Group, is a multifaceted personality who has made a mark in various fields ranging from horticulture to public relations and social service. Her dynamic involvement in the company has given it a whole new face. RG Group is being firmly steered forward by the third generation member of the family, Mr. Vishnu RG, the executive director who has spread the company's reach to the international market. His proactive attitude has helped the company achieve significant strides in the global market, particularly the Middle East and Europe. The brand enjoys a strong foothold in the GCC countries, with the UAE expansion being the latest feather in its cap. With quality as its watchword, the company has achieved ISO 22000 and ACMARC certification, as well as the DAC, Dubai Accreditation Center for Food Safety Management. It has also entered FMCG sales. RG Group's initiative in the international arena has resulted into the wide acceptance of the brand in the global scenario. The company has diversified its production base and introduced more products such as coconut milk powder, coconut oil, and jaggery to the local as well as international markets. From its small beginnings, RG Group has risen to the pinnacle of growth, maintaining the qualities which are the hallmark of its prime product, RG Sesame Oil: purity, trust, and goodness.